be showing you how to make Lipton soup. I know this is gonna sound really old school, but my mom used to make this when I didn't feel well. I had a flu, I had a virus. She'll be like, "Espérate, déjame buscar la Lipton soup." I'm gonna show you pasito a pasito. Here I have 2.5 cups of boiling water. We're gonna add a packet of Lipton soup. I can't open it. We're gonna add diced potatoes and some garlic powder. You can also add a clove of garlic smashed in there. It's even better. I just don't have. Now we're gonna stir and we're gonna let this boil, and then I'm gonna add something else. It's boiling. We're gonna add egg. It's yummy. I added 2 eggs. We're gonna cook it for like a good 3 minutes, and this soup is going to be done. And delicious and yummy and comforting. This soup is done. Look at how nice this poached egg looks. Look at that poached egg. Perfection. Look at that, guys. Qué ricura.